Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you a very cool feature. I'm going to show you a very cool feature of the iPhone 11. And of course, this cool feature involves a hidden gem in iOS 14, which allows you whenever you double tap or triple tap the back of the phone. So for example, if you were to use your fingers to just simply double tap or triple tap the back of your phone, it can perform a particular action. All right, so I'm going to turn on that feature now. And of course, here, and this feature is called back tap. And of course, this is one of those cool new features. And of course, once you learn about it, you'll have to activate it. All right, so it's a must use feature. All right, so let's turn it on. So go to settings. Next, you're going to scroll down. You're going to go to the section under settings. You're going to search for accessibility, so choose accessibility. Once you're under accessibility, next go down here where it says physical and motor touch. All right, so where it says touch here, go ahead and tap touch. And once you're under touch, you're going to scroll down. Notice there's several features here, and of course this is the one here. It's called back tap. Notice the information says double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly, meaning you can use shortcuts. So if you double tap, you can have that as one shortcut, and if you triple tap, you can have that as a next shortcut. We're going to turn this on, and of course you can choose, do you want it for a double tap or triple tap? All right, so the choice is pretty much yours. Go ahead and choose, like in my case here, I'm going to choose it for a double tap, which is much simpler. So I'm going to choose no. What do I want for a double tap? Do I want none? Do you want the accessibility shortcut? And these are all the options. Systems, you can have app switcher, control center, and of course you can have home, lock screen, mute, spotlight, volume up or down, assistive touch, the magnifier, scroll down or scroll up. Now of course in my case right here, I'm gonna use the control center, which I think is very cool. So of course the control center is now set. So let's test this out, and notice here I'm going to use my finger at the back. So my fingers are on here. So I'm going to double tap. There you go. Works flawlessly. Notice again. And it has to be a smooth tap, so a quick tap. All right. So whenever I'm using my device, all I got to do is simply, and I have on a case. I think it will work best without the case, although it still works. Takes a little time to get used to, but it works quite fine. And of course that will save me the time of stretching all the way to the top of the screen, especially when your device is larger. Alright, so in my opinion, your dominant hand works best. Takes a little getting used to. There you go. Of course it works fine. Triple tap would be a little bit more different or difficult, so I'm going to try something else for a triple tap. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go for a triple tap. I'm going to set something way cooler. So I'm going to use, you can have home, you can have lock screen, you can have mute, notification center, reachability, screenshot. All right, so for triple tap, I'm going to set the screenshot. Should be cool as well. So let's try this out. Triple tap for, that's 2, control center. Let's try 3 now. Works flawlessly. So whenever I want, triple tap for screenshot and double tap for control center. The choice is yours, guys. As I said, you can set it up and use any of those settings that you see just now. So you can choose any of these. You can launch Siri, volume down, assistive touch, magnifiers, and so on. So far so good. So this feature is one of those features you definitely must check out as a part of iOS 14 update. All right, guys. So if you like the tip, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Ricardo Gardner as usual from Blog Tech Tips. I said a quick tip showing you one of those cool new features that's built into iOS 14. Bye, guys.